Okay, here is a lesson on how to use Google Sheets to make a graph. So I just pulled up random Vaughan temperatures. I do not want you to do this, so please don't do Vaughan. But when you do this type of graph, you're going to go into your assignment. You're going to click Create Sheets instead of a doc. I can't show you that here because um, I'm not in the assignment. So anyway, so here is the sheet comes up. So now I'm going to put here month, and here I'm going to put temperature. Okay, so every month I'm going to put here over here I'm going to put the actual temperatures. So here are the temperatures. So here's what you would do. You would just highlight this. Okay. You would click Insert Chart. Ta-da! It's pretty much done. So what you can do is you can change the titles after up here. You can change the scale. You can change everything through this setup and the customize options. I hope this video was helpful, guys, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.